Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at challenge project number 1. Every U.S. history student will be doing these challenge projects. Challenge project number 1 is about immigration. So this is going to be your end of the unit project. There will be no end of unit test. So instead of taking a test, you will be doing this project. You will have 3 weeks to work on this. It will be due the weekend before Halloween. Ideally, you should hand it in before the end of quarter 1. So, what does this project entail? Well, you are going to interview an immigrant, someone 14 or older. So that includes anyone at Platt High School from any country in the world, but you cannot interview someone from Puerto Rico. The reason why is because Puerto Ricans do not need to face all of the same obstacles that an immigrant must face. So there are 5 requirements for this project. The first requirement is a video or audio recording of the actual interview, and you will upload that to Padlet. You will do a printout or digital copy of the questions used during the interview. I have those here. So I will be showing you the digital version. So as you can see, there's several questions on here. So this interview will probably be about a 10-minute interview. As you ask these questions, if you're using the digital, you'll type in. If you're using the print, which is here, you're going to fill in on the empty spaces. Yes, there are lots of spaces, but you don't need to fill out every single line. Next, you're going to do a graphic organizer. This will be what you fill out after you finish interviewing your person. So you will be doing this as a way to prepare for your essay. If you finish this graphic organizer, your essay actually will be very easy because you'll basically copy and paste, or you'll type up what you wrote. And then once you get your grade, you're going to do a self-reflection. Part of that self-reflection will be you going onto Padlet and looking at other interviews, at least 1 or 2. So here's your scoring rubric. So as you can see, there's a lot to this essay. But again, if you do this graphic organizer, this won't be so hard. You just finished an essay and it's going to follow the same route. You're going to have an introduction. You're going to have your body paragraphs, which is coming from the graphic organizer and your questions, and a conclusion. So the whole essay is 100 points. Your interview being uploaded to Padlet is another 100 points. The graphic organizer and questions being turned in is another 100 points. And doing the project is another 100 points. So it's a total of 400 points. As you can see, the essay is just 1/4 of this, so don't worry too much about the essay. If you follow the directions and you do the graphic organizer, it won't be so hard. And again, every student in US history will be doing the same exact project. Mr. McEtrick students are going to do it with us, and other students are going to do it when their class gets to immigration. Me and Mr. McEtrick follow the same path. So these are the graduation standards that you'll be graded on. You will have actually quite a You're going to have graduation standard 1, ABC, 3, C, and 6, B. And one of the fun things about this project is you get to learn about people. When you put it on the Padlet, you basically click this little plus button. You're going to choose the person's hometown. So make sure you get the name of the city. So, for example, if the person is from Tokyo, Japan, you'll click that. And here, where you see the upload button is where you're going to upload your video. Down here, you're going to put the name of the person. So, for example, you could say Sachiko Fujiya, and we'll say she's 50. Okay, so you'll put up the video, you'll hit publish, and you see, here's mine. Part of your reflection is you're going to watch this and you're going to leave a comment, a like. So your comment will be something like, very interesting video. I did not know that during World War there were massive bombings of Japanese cities. Okay, so you're going to respond to something in the video itself. You're going to upload it. Now, if I had a video, it would be here. Then you hit exit and you'll see there's a comment. So that, again, as this will take about 3 weeks to do, I will give you time in class. If you need to interview someone, but you cannot find an immigrant, ask me. There are several teachers in the building. There's several students in the building that are willing to talk to you. Good luck. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.